Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix GTA 5 Enhanced not launching from the Epic Games Launcher. If your game crashes, doesn't start, or gets stuck, this guide will walk you through a proven fix. Let's get started. First, open the Epic Games Launcher on your PC. Go to your library and find GTA 5 Enhanced Edition. Click on the three dots next to the game title. From the drop-down, click on Manage. Then click Open Install Location. This will open the folder where GTA 5 Enhanced is installed on your computer. Inside the GTA 5 Enhanced folder, you need to delete most of the files except a few key ones. Note: keep these folders and files, Battle ID 3D12.dll or similar DirectX file, Redistributables Update x64, any files with .rpf or names starting with x64, and then delete everything else. This helps remove corrupted or conflicting files that stop the game from launching. Now go back to the Epic Games Launcher, click the three dots next to GTA 5 Enhanced again, and this time select Verify. Epic Games will now check for missing or damaged files and re-download the correct ones. This may take a few minutes depending on your system. Once the verification is complete, click Launch to start GTA 5 Enhanced. It should now open without crashing or freezing. And that's it. You've now fixed the issue with GTA 5 Enhanced not launching on Epic Games. If this helped you out, be sure to like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you had any issues or if it worked for you. Thanks for watching and enjoy Los Santos.